sharp curve out of this tunnel, 45 miles an hour for those of you that don't know. It's mile marker 120. And since it's ice and sleet, well, sleet and wind on the other end, I'm gonna go even slower than that. Hey, better safe than sorry, fellas. I do not want to be on the news today. Yeah, the ground looks slick. I see the salt down there though. Take my time around that curve and pick it up just a little bit. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. There's a little fog coming in now too. So that's gonna make the ground even colder. No heat getting to it. Give these guys plenty of space. I see all them brake lights. People follow each other so close, they don't give, you know, you be having all the brake lights make me think it's something going on up there. But since I can't see, I'm gonna pretend like it is. I know an old school trucker told me one time, shout out Joyce, told me one time that if you see water coming off of the tires, then it's most likely not frozen on the ground. Just don't look. There go a couple of them cars right there. That one car looked bad. Well, that's on the other side. But look, they spun out on the other side too. I told you. And I ain't trying to be on the back of no tow truck today. Oh, look. What's this? Trailer just broke in half, but it's on the other side of the barrier. Huh. I don't know what happened there. Look. See? Oh, yes. Woo. Oh, I'm glad I was going slow. Put the blinkers on. Let the people know behind me. Exactly. See? Go ahead and get them some more space. Okay, it's coming to a... And it's crazy because you don't see nothing on the ground. It looked like it's just rain. It looked like it's just wet. Exactly why I was going slow. See what's going on here. Oh, you respect it now, huh? Get on over here with me. Maybe you don't. He said, man, they going too slow. Exactly, fellas. That right there. Now, if I was flying, because I'm empty, I can go if I want to. If I was flying, see nothing around that corner? Oh, the brakes is the last thing you want to do on an icy pavement. Sometimes you just ain't got no choice. You got to slow down, but you got to slow down gently. I ain't messing with them. Just my luck, I hit that patch and it can't stop. Even if I had to pull over and call it a night. I got people that depend on me. I did see the two cars on the tow trucks on the other side, and I have yet passed one on this side yet, so it might be just salt trucks doing their thing up there, slowing everybody down. But hey, now they're going my speed. It won't be long till I get on back home. Oh, this left side is slowing down a lot. Salt truck on that side. If I was a gambling man, I'm going 30 miles an hour right now, giving the truck in front of me plenty of space. See if you can see what I see in my mirror. See this other truck on the left side of me, JBS. He's going a little faster, but he definitely has his space in there, so he can stop properly if he need to. I think I got more space than needed, but better safe than sorry. Let's count it out. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, 6 1,000, 7 1,000. I got about 7 seconds. Plenty of reaction time. Slowing down some more. Yeah, I wonder if it's just salt trucks or is something going on up there. Look, that's what they say. Don't always believe your GPS. It says no traffic reported ahead. They got that wrong. All right, are we in the clear yet? Google. There's a couple slowdowns. All right, I think we're in the clear. I just wanted to throw that video out there. Be safe out here during this bad weather. Just be safe, period. Signing off. Make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe. Elevated Trucking with Rob. Thanks for tuning in. Till next time. Later.